Hi, so thanks to my Patreons, I finally got the Elegoo's Arduino starter kit. Yeah, let's check it out. Okay, so you're probably wondering like why I'm getting a new Arduino, because like I've done Arduino practice previously and I definitely have an Arduino. The other one I have, it's kinda scuffed. I thought like it would be a good time to like get a proper Arduino kit, and this Arduino kit, it's actually cheaper than getting all of the parts like separately from somewhere. So yeah, I just got the whole kit and it was quite expensive, like 40 euros, but like for the amount of parts I would say that it's a really good price. Yeah, let's just take a quick look. So this is the Elegoo's the most complete starter kit for Arduino. Here we have all of the components in here. I'm currently using the Arduino as a VU meter, then like the microphone module is here, and like the microphone module, it's pretty bad because like it's not that sensitive, it doesn't have the amp in it, so basically it's not that useful. Like I tried to build an amplifier by myself and it didn't work, so I'm still trying to figure out how to properly use it. So like the digital output, like it works pretty fine, but like the fine tuning is really annoying and you can't do much with the digital output only. So yeah, it isn't like most useful microphone module, but like basically you can do something with it like as is. And what we have here, I've tried this one, it's a remote controller, and we have a display here, moisture sensor. Like I haven't tried this out yet, and we have this stepper model, and like if I haven't tried this out yet, like these are really shitty ones, and like it's slow, it doesn't have any torque and kind of useless. And this one I tried out, this looks really good, but the library, I didn't try the like included library. I tried like some random library and it was like it only works upside down, I don't know why. And the servo is like the basic 9-gram servo. I tried it out, and this relay module, like this is just like really annoying. I don't know why they didn't provide a proper like module, because like this doesn't fit like any breadboard. Like I don't know why they like have this. It's kind of disappointing. Like at least mine doesn't like fit any breadboard, so like it's completely useless. I would have to like solder wires directly here, and it's like with a starter kit, like that's something that you don't probably want to do. So I haven't tried out the joystick yet, but like this seems pretty good. Look, it seems like this might a cheaper or like a more expensive version that I've seen. Like this has this metal rod, like some have the like plastic core in it, so this one has the metal one. So keep that in mind if you want to have your like own stuff here, because like this is a really like small metal stick, so you can't probably like 3D print your own stuff there, so keep that in mind. And this one I haven't tried out yet, and this is probably the like generic ultrasound sensor, and the battery was really useless. I just powered up the Arduino and one LED, and it drained this battery like in 2 hours. It's completely empty now, so like it's pretty nice to have it in there still. And here we have different kinds of LEDs. These were like really nice looking, and potentiometers, like those were pretty nice, but like keep in mind that the like thing that you rotate, like it's separate and you have to stick it in there, so it's kind of weird, but like kind of useful because you can put it here like afterwards. And this thing, like the box, it's really scuffed, and like do not open this with one hand, it'll like explode everywhere. I tried it once and like I had to pick those parts up from a floor, so wouldn't recommend. And this RFID tag, like this worked really nice. I only used the factory like defaults. I didn't try to write the tags, but like it should probably work. And that isn't a very secure RFID reader, so don't use it for anything like secure, but like it's fun to like mess around with it. So, and then there's the rotary encoder. I haven't tried it out. The MPU 6050, if I remember correctly. I haven't tried this one out yet. Like and I haven't tried this one. And like the IR receiver I tried out, works pretty nice. And this should be a generic motion sensor, the same one that I have like in my desk, because like it's my night light if I'm going somewhere at night, so it lights up. Some displays, and these are really annoying to use because like these don't have the like driver board, they're just the bare like display, and you have to wire everything up manually, so wouldn't recommend. Like just use this, like this really useful. So but like if you really want to do it, like you can. And the motor, it works pretty well. I haven't tried out the real-time module yet, like looks pretty weird. I have never seen one like this. I guess that it should work just fine. Connector for the battery and like some resistors. The values were actually pretty good, and there were also like some 1 meg resistors for like doing capacitive sensing and stuff like that. So this is completely useless. I don't know how they made this, but like this only pushes air like sideways, it doesn't push it like upwards like it should. And this keypad, like this is pretty useless because like yeah, this is the worst keypad I've ever seen. Like it kind of works for some demonstration, but like it's really annoying to use, so I would recommend just to stick to the remote. Like this is really nice to use. So. And of course we have the Arduino under there. Like it's like the Arduino was actually surprisingly good, and it has the proper serial chip. And then we have this like connection board and like this small breadboard, so you can basically like solder something there and like use it every time. And like this mini breadboard, like it's super useful, like it fits perfectly in there. So, and of course this breadboard and this power supply and the actual 9-volt power supply. You can provide power to the breadboard with this. So. And if you have any like project suggestions, like let me know down in the comments. Yeah, thanks again for my patrons for providing this. Like the old stuff that I had, well, just look at this. Like yeah, now I have like this like really good kit, and I can make tutorials with this. So yeah, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Our knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much, feel too little. More than machinery, we need humanity. More than cleverness, we need kindness. We want to live by each other's happiness. The way of life can be free and beautiful.